question number 4. In this question, the statement is, we are given the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram which are 3x minus 4 degree and 3x plus 16 degree. First of all, we have to find out the value of x, and then we have to find out the measure of each of its angles. So let angle A is equals to 3x minus 4 degree and angle B is equals to 3x plus 16 degree. We are taking these values for angle A and angle B because it is given in the question that these values belong to the adjacent angles. Now we know that the sum of two adjacent sides of a parallelogram is 180 degree. Now angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree, and after solving this equation, 3x minus 4 plus 3x plus 16 degree, add the values of having x with them and also solve the values which are 16 minus 4, which comes out to be 12. Now 6x plus 12 is equals to 180 degree. 6x is equals to, now this 12 is transposed, and 6x is equals to 180 minus 12, which is equals to 168. Now we will get the value of x by dividing 6 by 168, and the value of x is equals to 28 degree. Now put the value of x in the equations of angle A and angle B, and you will have the values and you will have the measure of angle A and B. Now you can see that angle A and angle D both are adjacent angles, so उन दोनों का sum 180 के equal होगा, and you can simply find out the value of angle D by subtracting the measure of angle A from 180 degree. Similarly, angle B and angle C both are adjacent sides, and you can simply find out the value of angle C by subtracting the value of angle B from 180 degree. And you may also find the value of angle D. Angle D की वैल्यू आप ऐसे भी find out कर सकते हो कि angle C की वैल्यू find out करके ये दोनों sides adjacent angles हो जाएंगी, then उनका सम भी 180 डिग्री के इक्वल होगा. तो एंगल C की वैल्यू 180 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आपका आंसर आ जाएगा एंगल D का. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The sum of two opposite angles of a parallelogram is 130 degree. Find out the measure of each of its angles. We are given that, suppose पहले हमने draw कर लिया parallelogram ABCD. We are given that the measure of two opposite angles is 130 degree. It means हम कौन सी यहाँ पे parallel opposite sides ले रहे हैं, angle B and angle D. We are given that their sum is equals to 130 degree. Now we know that opposite angles are equal. It means हम angle B plus angle D की जगह भी हम angle B suppose कर लेंगे is equals to 130 degree because opposite angles are equal. Now 2 angle B is equals to 130 degree. Therefore angle B की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी, 65 degree. और as we know angle B is equals to angle D. It means angle D की वैल्यू भी 65 डिग्री हो जाएगी. Now you have the measure of angle B and angle D. So angle C हम कैसे find out करेंगे, because angle B and C are adjacent sides, are adjacent angles, and their sum will be equals to 180 degree. So angle B की वैल्यू पुट करके आप 180 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे and you will get the value of angle C. Similarly, angle A and angle B both are adjacent angles. It means उनका सम भी किसके इक्वल होगा, 180 डिग्री के इक्वल होगा. And you can simply find out the value of angle A by subtracting the value of the measure of angle B from 180 degree, and it comes out to be 115 degree. Now coming to question number 6. We are given that two sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio 5:3. If its perimeter is 64 centimeter, find the lengths of its sides. First of all, we are not having the exact measure of the angle, so हम x से common multiple लेंगे, and we are given that the sides are 5x and 3x. respectively. And we know that perimeter of a parallelogram is 2 into length plus breadth or length plus width. Now perimeter is also given to us, which is 64, and we will just put these values in the given equation. 64 is equals to 2 into 5x plus 3x. 5 plus 3 is x is equals to 8x. 2 8s are 16x is, therefore x की value क्या होगी? 64 divided by 16. Thus the value of x is 4. Now you can find out the value of each side. 5x comes out to be 20 centimeter and 3x comes out to be 12 centimeter.